Why do middle-aged people love birds so much? Is it a sign of wisdom, or a symptom of a midlife crisis? According to a recent article by The Guardian, many people in their 40s and 50s have developed a passion for birdwatching, feeding, and even befriending birds. One example is Emma Beddington, who became obsessed with Flaco, an owl who escaped from a zoo in New York. She spent her Christmas vacation trying to track him down, hoping for a romantic encounter. Some experts say that birds offer a sense of wonder and freedom that is lacking in the mundane lives of middle-aged people. Whatever the reason, it seems that birds are more than just animals to many middle-aged people. They are friends, confidants, and even soulmates. How do the birds feel about being the objects of such intense affection?